Before we continue, if you want to save yourself some money and get an extra 15% off discount, make sure to use the first link in the video description. And if you're following along on your phone, scan the QR code on screen right here. That'll open the link in your mobile browser so you can also get that extra discount. After going to that link, the checkout process is the same whether you're on PC or mobile. Just choose the country or region you're traveling to, pick a data plan, choose how much data you'll need for your trip, and then go through checkout. Once your plan is purchased, the next step is to install the Saily app and set up the eSIM on your phone. I'm setting this up on my iPhone, but if you're using an Android device, then don't worry. The process is mostly the same, and I'll go over some Android-specific settings a little bit later on. Start on your home screen, then open the App Store. Search for Saily, install the app, and then open it. From here, tap Login or Sign Up, and make sure you sign in with the exact same account you used during checkout, because that's how Saily pulls up the plan you already purchased. After you log in, you'll get a couple prompts. If it asks to add a Wi-Fi hotspot network, tap Allow. If it asks about notifications, you can allow those too. At the top of your screen, you should see your plan with the country or region you're traveling to. There at the top, you want to tap on Install eSIM. From here, we're going to run through the eSIM setup checklist. Tap Install eSIM again, and it's going to bring you over to your cellular settings. Tap Activate, and then give it a minute because it has to connect to your carrier. Once it says that your eSIM is ready to activate, tap Continue. When it asks where you'll use this eSIM, choose Abroad. When it asks what type of plan you have, choose Data Only, then tap Continue. Once you see that the travel eSIM setup is complete, tap Done. At this point, the eSIM is installed and you'll see it underneath your primary line in your cellular settings. It'll have a default label, so tap the new eSIM, tap Cellular Plan Label, and set a custom label like Saily so it's easy to recognize later. Now let's talk about installing the eSIM on an Android phone, so that way everyone is covered. On your Android phone, open Settings, then go to Connections. From there, tap SIM Manager, and you should see your SIMs listed. Tap the one that says Saily, and that's where you can find the main eSIM options for it, including turning the line on and off, and renaming it so it's easy to recognize later. And just like I mentioned with iPhone, if you don't need your primary SIM at all, you can turn it off so there's no chance your phone switches back while you're traveling.